Recent global challenges have placed immense pressure on manufacturing companies, from disrupted supply chains to rising security threats. In response, manufacturers of all sizes are embracing digital technology, seeking enhanced agility and resilience for a more innovative future. The vision of the next-gen factory requires manufacturing-focused IT infrastructure that ensures speed, reliability, and cost-effectiveness, especially for critical workloads such as core manufacturing applications that must remain on-site for reasons of latency, security, compliance, and operational efficiency. Hyper-converged infrastructures powered by PRIMEFLEX Integrated Systems from Fsas Technologies are meeting these demands by offering a next-generation infrastructure with cloud-like operations and economics right in your on-premises data center. PRIMEFLEX Integrated Systems seamlessly integrate into hybrid cloud environments, providing manufacturing organizations with the best of both worlds. The security and performance for their core manufacturing workloads, coupled with the flexibility to rapidly deploy emerging manufacturing applications as they arise. PRIMEFLEX Integrated Systems from Fsas Technologies, unleashing the power of hyper-converged infrastructure.